मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। रवि उठो, रवि वेक अप, रवि वेक अप। मुझे लगता है मैंने एक आवाज़ सुनी। आई थिंक आई हर्ड अ साउंड। आई थिंक आई हर्ड अ साउंड। पिछली रात क्या तुम बिल्ली को घर लाए थे? Did you bring the cat in the house last night? Did you bring the cat in the house last night? अरे मैं नहीं लाया। Oh, I didn't bring. Oh, I didn't bring. मैंने तुम्हें बताया था मैंने बिल्ली को बाहर रख दिया है। I told you I put the cat outside. I told you I put the cat outside. क्या तुमने कुत्ते को भी बाहर रख दिया था? Did you put the dog out too? Did you put the dog out too? हाँ, मैंने रख दिया था। Yes, I did. Yes, I did. रिया मुझे सोने दो। रिया, let me sleep. रिया, let me sleep. क्या हमने सारे दरवाजे बंद कर दिए थे? Did we lock all the doors? Did we lock all the doors? बस करो अब। Enough now. Enough now. मैं जाती हूँ और देखती हूँ। I will go and check. I will go and check. ये अच्छा विचार है। It's a good idea. It's a good idea. हेलो पुलिस थाना। हेलो पुलिस स्टेशन। हेलो पुलिस स्टेशन। हाँ, मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ? Yes, how can I help you? Yes, how can I help you? मेरे घर में एक चोर घुस गया था। A thief broke into my house. A thief broke into my house. क्या उसने कुछ चुराया है? Did he steal anything? Did he steal anything? हाँ, उसने मेरे गहने चुराए। Yes, he stole my jewelry. Yes, he stole my jewelry. क्या आपने चोर को देखा? Did you see the thief? Did you see the thief? मैंने उसे खिड़की से कूदते हुए देखा था। I saw him as he jumped the window. I saw him as he jumped the window. वो कैसा लग रहा था? How did he looks like? How did he looks like? वो लंबा और बूढ़ा था। He was tall and older. He was tall and older. वैसे आपका नाम और पता? By the way, your name and address. By the way, your name and address. मैं रिया हूँ। I am Riya. I am Riya. मेरा पता 777 वाटर पार्क है। My address is 777 वाटर पार्क. My address is 777 वाटर पार्क. देखो मेरे घर को। Look at my house. Look at my house. उसने बहुत सी चीजें चुराई हैं। He stole many things. He stole many things. क्या आपके पति ने चोर को देखा? Did your husband see the thief? Did your husband see the thief? नहीं, वो सो रहे थे। No, he was sleeping. No, he was sleeping. क्या इस गिलास में आपने कुछ पिया था? Did you drink anything this glass? Did you drink anything in this glass? नहीं, ये यहाँ नहीं था. No, it was not here. No, it was not here. लेकिन उसने ये अच्छा काम किया है. But it's a good thing he did. But it's a good thing he did. आप क्या बोल रहे हो? What are you saying? What are you saying? देखिए इस ग्लास पर उसके उंगलियों के निशान. See his fingerprints on the glass. See his fingerprints on the glass. हमें लगता है हमने सही आदमी को पकड़ा है. I hope we caught the correct man. I hope we caught the correct man. आपको वो कहाँ मिला? Where did you find him? Where did you find him? हमें वह आपके पड़ोस के नज़दीक मिला. We find him near your neighborhood. We found him near your neighborhood. क्या उसने अपना गुनाह कबूल किया? Did he accept his crime? Did he accept his crime? नहीं, उसने अभी तक नहीं किया. No, he didn't yet. No, he didn't yet. लेकिन जब आप उसे देखेंगी, but when you will see him, but when you will see him, तो हमें बताएंगी कि क्या वही चोर है या नहीं. Then tell us that is that thief or not. Then tell us that is that thief or not. ठीक है, मैं देखती हूँ. Fine, let me see. Fine, let me see. हाँ, वह वही है. Yes, that's him. Yes, that's him. क्या आपको मेरे गहने मिले? Did you find out the jewelry? Did you find out my jewelry? हाँ, वह सब हम उसके घर से मिला. Yes, we find all that in his house. Yes, we find all that in his house. ये लीजिए. Take this. Take this. ओह, भगवान का शुक्र है. ओह, thank God. ओह, thank God. आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thanks to you too. Thanks to you too. नहीं नहीं, हमने तो सिर्फ अपना काम किया है. No, no, we did our duty only. No, no, we did our duty only.